Are you tired of paying for AI tools, running out of credits, dealing with watermarks, or consistently signing up for free trials that eventually ask you to upgrade? For years, creating AI generated images and videos has felt like a trade off. You either pay monthly for premium features or you settle for limited free versions that are slow, capped, or covered in logos. The message was clear: if you want full control and quality, you have to pay. But what if that wasn't true anymore? Let me show you a tool that changes everything. I have been testing an amazing platform that gives you unlimited AI generated images and videos for free. No account needed, no sign up required, just jump in and start creating. This is your full beginner friendly guide. So, if you are ready to unlock pro level AI tools without spending anything, stay with me. And if you want more useful tutorials like this, hit subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications so you never miss a trick. Alright, let's dive in. You will find this site link in my description box. So, with the help of this tool, you can absolutely create any type of video, any type of image for free without paying any single bucks. Alright, let's show you that how you can create video and generate video from image. Well, for this website you have to give an image here, then this AI will convert that image into a video. Let's create an image from this tool. So here is text to image tool and AI text to image generator. Generate image from text. Here you can paste your idea, what you want. Well, here is my prompt and here is aspect ratio selection. You can select any type of aspect ratio. For now, I'm selecting 16 into 9. Now let's hit generate. Before that, I want to show you that here they already mention it unlimited and free. Here is mentioned there. This tool is fully unlimited and free. Well, let's generate now. Here might be you have to wait for 1 or 2 minutes, but don't worry. For accessing any free things, you have to wait couple of minutes. Well, within 45 seconds, I got my image. Here you can see that how clear this image. Well, now let's download it. Now let's create a video with this image. Now here we have to upload that image. Well, I uploaded my image and here you can see that this basic image means this AI tool already fetched the AI prompt of this image. Here you can see that in a short version, and here is the video prompt option. We can add any prompt. So I paste my prompt here, and here is video format. You can select MP4 or a WebM, and video length is 5 seconds, and you can change video frame rate, right? You can select 30 fps, and finally you will click to generate button. Well, video is ready. Let's see the video. Okay, video is good, but there is one problem: is you can't generate audio with this video. Well, you have to sacrifice. You can add audio from your own. Well, let's show you another some tools of this website. Here is image to image tool. With the tool, you can generate or you can convert any image into any style. Like here is generate image from image tool, and you have to upload an image here. Well, now you have to write here any prompts like I write anime style. Now you can select this option that will automatically generate. Using this option, they already generate a prompt. Now you can adjust this. I will keep it as it is and hit generate. Let's see. That was the previous and that was the after image. And I recently see that they rewrite my prompt. Here they mention two baby monkeys. That's why my before image was two elder monkeys, and right now, as they mention two baby monkeys, that's why they convert into two baby monkeys. Well, and then there is the context editor, which is like a smart AI restyler. Upload a normal photo, say a modern city state during the day, and or something like that. You can give any type of style, and it keep the layout of your photo, but completely transform the style and the vibe. And for creators or small business owner, check out the AI background remover. Upload any image and you get a clean cutout with a transparent background instantly. No Photoshop, no hassle. So far, we have unlimited image generation, powerful editing tools, and smart styling options. There are a lot of tools here. You can explore them, you can use them for free. You don't have to pay anything, you don't have to wait for longer or any long QA. You don't have to sign in or you don't have to create any icon. Also, you can absolutely download anything from here without watermark. Now, let's be honest, this is a completely free tool, so will the output be exactly on par with the most expensive paid models? Probably not, but for most creators, the quality is more than good enough, and the value absolutely unbeatable. You will find the link in the description box. Try it out and let me know in the comments what you are going to create first. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips, tutorials, and tools. See you in the next one. Goodbye.